You're right. You can go out. I'm just capturing the hummers in action. There's a butterfly on the feeder. See it? Look, next to the hummer. That's cool. He's not even bothering it. He's just hanging out with the butterfly. That's pretty cool. There's a bee too. Is it stinging the butterfly? I hope not. That would not be nice. Oh, he's just trying to eat. He's going after the ant. There's ants on there. I hate when they do that. I gotta get one of those water buckets next year. Water hangers that they hang on so that the ants don't get into the feeder all the time. Is the butterfly eating or just chilling out? Doing something. There's the hammer again. That's cool. Huh. Bees getting a taste. That's different. I like that.